Experiment we will do is to determine the potential difference across a given conductor. Okay, now for that you see what is needed. I have made already the circuit connection. This is a meter bridge, then there is a resistance, 2 ohm resistance, then this is the battery eliminator which is a source of current, and you can adjust the voltage. You see there is a voltage selector, you can adjust the voltage and it is having positive and negative terminal, and this is a voltmeter. Now on the voltmeter scale, just look at the voltmeter scale. It is starting as 0, alright, and voltmeter is also having a positive and negative terminal. So you see how the circuit connection is done. The circuit connection is done according to this given circuit diagram, alright. Here you see both the positive terminal of the battery is connected to A, this is A, and that terminal A is connected to the positive terminal of the voltmeter. Negative terminal of the battery, it is connected to a 2 ohm resistance, then the other end of the 2 ohm resistance is connected to the other end of the meter bridge, which is B. Alright, and this is a pencil jockey. You see why it is pencil? There is a sharp end. Okay, the pencil jockey means when you are touching, you see when you are touching this one, you can just change the point where you are touching. Alright, and you see in the battery eliminator there is a on off button. When I am switching it on, then the indicator light is going, and here the voltage selector I have set it at 2 volt. Alright. Now how to take the reading? First of all, you will touch this pencil jockey at, here you see the scale 10 centimeter, the upper scale 10 centimeter mark, 20 centimeter marks are there. So you will touch the jockey at 10 centimeter mark, alright, and then you will touch the jockey at 20 centimeter mark, and then you will touch it at 30, 40, 60, 80 as it is given. You see here L is given 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80. So accordingly you will touch it there, and then you will take the corresponding voltmeter reading. Now regarding the voltmeter reading, if you want to take, first of all you have to know what is the least count of the voltmeter. Least count means what? The value of one smallest division. Now I am just focusing the voltmeter scale. You see here between 0 and 1 mark, okay, between 0 and 1 mark there are 20 division. So 20 divisions value is 1 volt. So what will be the value of 1 division? It will be 1 by 20 volt, means 0.05 volt. So what is the least count of the voltmeter? 0.05 volt. Now how to take the reading? When the pointer will come to any division, then you find out how many divisions that is. Then that division multiplied by least count will give you the voltmeter reading. Now next is experiment number 5, to determine the potential gradient of a conductor. Now potential gradient means potential difference per unit length. Alright, now for that how to do the experiment, already in the video I have shown you. Now least count observation, first you note down least count of the voltmeter 0.05 volt, and then for length 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, when voltmeter reading you have to write, as I showed you already, that 8 into 0.05. The pointer, write down the division where the pointer is touching the scale. Okay, so 8th division pointer was touching for 10 length. So 8 into the least count will be the voltmeter reading. Like that, for the rest one is 16 into 0.05, 25 into 0.05, 32 into 0.05 and 40 into 0.05. Then you have to plot V versus L graph. So you see when the graph is plotted, then from when L1 35, V1 is coming 1.4 volt, L2 55, V2 coming 2.2 volt. Then you calculate the slope V2 minus V1 by L2 minus L1. Then the values are substituted in a calculation done. It is coming 0.04 volt per centimeter. So what is the result? Potential gradient is 0.04 volt per centimeter. Alright. If the graph is not visible properly, then you please zoom it. Alright. And if it is not visible, then you must message me in the group. Now experiment number 6. the same experiment only the circuit diagram you have to make in the same manner, and you have to take the reading also in the same manner, only calculation part is little bit different. So here also for the length 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 30, 40 and 60, here you are getting the voltmeter reading 8, 16, 25, 32 into 48. 48 is the division number, so multiply it with 0.05. Then the voltmeter readings are coming 0.4, 0.8, 1.25, 1.60 and 2.40. Then you have to plot V versus L graph. So again the L versus V versus L graph is plotted, and then when L is 0, V0 is coming 0 volt, and when L is 50, then V1 is coming 2 volt. So you calculate 2 into V1 minus V0, which is coming 4 volt. So the potential difference is 4 volt. So experiment number 6 is over. Kindly note it down and plot the graph also properly on the board. Do you want the view of the graph properly? Then I am just making it little bit big. I hope it is clear now.